moment you've been waiting for. Checking for updates. And it's taking more than 5 seconds. There is an update. And you are lucky because you're gonna get one. Come on, I know it's there. Give me the update, please. Checking for updates, getting the updates. Can I get the update? Oh, come on. 12.3.4. And yep, getting it. Ooh, getting 12.3.6. Go a couple up, please. It's going quickly, huh? Let's check out the release notes. The release notes are loading. Software is downloading. Ooh. This is what we're getting. Okay. Alright, this is very exciting. Alright, once it downloads, trigger install. Thanks.